a recess for the hinge. The machine has a 15-inch color touchscreen with an industrial computer. Programs are written and recalled through the touchscreen. Programming is very easy, and most programs can be entered in less than 1 minute. The machine has left and right work zones. Each zone has a palm button to start the program. Mirror imaging can be done for left or right hand parts. Each zone has independent clamps which can be moved to any position along the clamp bar. Boring is accomplished by way of a 3-spindle gear head which can be configured with any center distance. A 2 horsepower motor is used which turns at 3600 RPM. A 5 horsepower frequency motor is used to route the notch. Depth of machining may be done by digital hand wheel or by CNC control. The machine is capable of batching many similar parts at a time. It is also capable of machining different part lengths with different hole spacing without stopping to change programs. This is used for one cabinet at a time production. A laser is used to measure part lengths to determine which hole pattern to machine. The laser is accurate to 1/1000th of an inch. We will now do a demonstration. video has shown some of the many features of the cup hinge machine series. Many options are available. For more information, please contact your dealer or Accu-Systems.